Rebecca walks 17 laps at her health club. Trent walks 17 laps at his health club. If the track at Rebecca's health club is 1/7 mile long and the track at Trent's is 1/8 mile long, who walks farther and how much farther? We'll solve this application using our 5-step problem-solving strategy. And the first step is to familiarize ourselves with the situation. Let's see which of the tracks is longer. Let's compare the 1/7 mile track with the 1/8 mile track. In order to do this, we need to get a common denominator, and the common denominator is 56. I multiply 1/7 times 8/8 and 1/8 times 7/7, and I get 8/56 and 7/56. Since 8/56 is greater than 7/56, I know that 1/7 is greater than 1/8. So this tells us that Rebecca walked farther than Trent, since the track at her health club was longer than the track at Trent's health club. Now we're going to find out how much farther Rebecca will walk on each lap, and then multiply that by 17 in order to find out how much farther she walks after they've each done 17 laps. Let's let D represent how much farther Rebecca walks. And since our units are given in miles, we'll let D be in miles. We're all ready for our next step, and that is the translate step. An equation that would fit this situation is 1/8 plus D equals 1/7, where D is the amount extra she walks in each lap, or 7/56 plus D equals 8/56. Now we're ready to go to step 3, that is to solve the equation. To solve the equation, we subtract 7/56 from both sides. If we subtract 7/56 from the left side, we get D equals, subtracting it from the right side, and simplifying, we have D equals 1/56. Now D was the amount extra that Rebecca walked in each lap. So in each lap she walks 1/56 miles extra. Now they both walk 17 laps, so in 17 laps Rebecca walks 17 times 1/56 miles more than Trent, or 17/56 miles. Now how can we check this problem? To check this problem, let's think of it in a different way. In 17 laps, Rebecca walks 17 times 1/7, or 17/7 miles. In 17 laps, Trent walks 17 times 1/8, or 17/8 miles. If we subtract those, we get 17/7 minus 17/8, which is 17/7 times 8/8 minus 17/8 times 7/7 to get a common denominator, which is 136/56 minus 119/56, or 17/56 miles. We actually solved the problem in a different way, and we got the same answer. So we would say that our answer checks, and to state our answer, we would say that Rebecca walks 17/56 miles farther than Trent.